Hello friends, and welcome to this new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to generate an image with ChatGPT. Known as a powerful conversational tool, ChatGPT can actually create images using simple prompts. This feature is made possible through the integration of DALL-E 3 on the platform. Please note that this feature is only available for users subscribing to ChatGPT Plus or the enterprise offering. So, how do you generate an image with ChatGPT? Take a seat. I will explain each step of the image generation process with ChatGPT. So to start, go to the official ChatGPT website and log into your account. Then, in the text box, formulate your request. For example, I entered the following prompt. Create a realistic image of a cat sitting in front of a fireplace, staring at the wood fire with a melancholic mood. Once you're satisfied with your prompt, start the generation process by clicking the small arrow or simply pressing the Enter key. Generally, ChatGPT can generate 1 or 2 images per request, and processing only takes a few seconds. As you can see, the image generated by ChatGPT stays true to the prompt. However, if the image does not perfectly meet your requirements, you will need to rephrase the request. Indeed, the quality of your prompt will have a major influence on the desired outcome. To do this, think about using relevant keywords, emphasizing the visual style, describing the colors and ambience, or specifying the environment, and so on. To give you an idea, in my example, I mentioned the style which is realistic. I also specified that it's an image of a cat and described the mood as melancholic. Let's try another style to see the difference. Here is my new prompt. Create an image of a fisherman on a pond in a cheerful and bright atmosphere, in an artistic painting style. You see, ChatGPT deconstructed each of my requests to give me a rather beautiful. It is worth noting that image generation does not always work on the first try, so work on your prompt to get the best possible result. Well, however, are you lacking inspiration in creating your prompts? Don't worry, you can generate your prompts using ChatGPT. You just need to mention the context, style, mood, etc. You can also edit the images generated by ChatGPT. For example, you can change the image ratio. It's easy to do. I'll take the example of the image of my cat and tell it to switch the image to landscape mode. And there you go. I get an image in landscape mode. But that's not all. You can also modify the composition of the photo by adjusting the ambience, adding more relevant details, enhancing the colors, specifying the desired staging, etc. All these modifications need to be formulated as precise prompts so that ChatGPT can properly understand your request. To display the editing tools, you will first need to click on the image to be redirected to a new display. You will find the editing options right here, above the generated image. Select the area to modify and formulate your new prompt. For example, I asked ChatGPT to add a person sitting on this couch and I got the following result. Although we can only see the person's foot, ChatGPT still understood my request well. This option is also valid for removing elements, adding details, adjusting colors, etc. Good, this is how our video concludes. I hope you enjoyed it. Keep in mind that the quality of a generated image greatly depends on the quality of your prompt. Let your imagination run wild and enjoy this convenient image generation option from ChatGPT. Feel free to like, share the video, subscribe, and activate the bell if you haven't already. See you soon for new discoveries. So, goodbye friends.